So for this problem, in solving a composite function, then we have these given three functions, the f of x, the g of x, and the h of x. Then to find this composition, since this is equal to f of g of x, then we can substitute now the value for g of x. Since g of x is equal to 6x minus 4, so therefore, from f of x, but x is equal to 6x minus 4, so this equation becomes 2, then times x is 6x minus 4 to the power 2 minus 5 times x, so x is 6x minus 4, then plus 7. Then to simplify, so we have 2 times to expand this square of a binomial, so we can use the SMS. So as the square of the first term, so the square of 6x to the power 2. So this is 36x to the power 2. Then m for multiplication, so we have 2 times negative 4, that's negative 8 times 6, so this is negative 48x. Then plus the last s, the square of the last term. So the square of 4, this one is 16. Then for this term, so distribute negative 5 times 6. So this is negative 30x. Negative 5 times negative 4. So we have positive 20. Then bring down positive 7. Then to simplify, so 2 times 36. So this is 72x squared. 2 times negative 48. So we have negative 96x. And 2 times 16. Positive 32. Then bring down. Minus 30x. Plus 20 plus 7. Then we can combine now like terms. So starts with the highest exponent. So this 72x squared. So bring down 72x squared. Then we can combine this negative 96x and negative 30x. So this is negative 126x. Then for the constant, positive 32, positive 20, that's 52. 52 plus 7, so this is positive 59. Then for this composition, since this is equal to g of h of x, since h of x is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 8, so from g of x, but x is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 8, so this becomes 6 times x squared plus 3x minus 8, then minus 4. Then to simplify, so 6 times x squared, this one is 6x squared. 6 times 3x, so this is positive 18x. And 6 times negative 8, so negative 48. Then minus 4. Then we can combine like terms. So bring down 6x squared plus 18x, and this negative 48 and negative 4. So we have negative 52. Then for this composition, so this is equal to g of f of 2. So first, we need to solve for f of 2. from f of x, but x is equal to 2. So this becomes 2 times 2 to the power 2, then minus 5 times 2, then plus 7. So we have 2 times 2 to the power 2. This one is 4. Negative 5 times 2, that's negative 10, then plus 7. Then to simplify, so this 2 times 4, so we have 8 minus 10 plus 7. So 8 minus 10, that's negative 2 plus 7. So f of 2 is equal to 5. So therefore, this g f of 2 is equal to g of 5 because f of 2 is equal to 5. Then to find out the value from g of x, and x is equal to 5. So this becomes 6 times 5, then minus 4. And 6 times 5, this one is 30 minus 4. So therefore, this composition is equal to positive 26. Then for this composition, so this is equal to f of h of negative 1. So first, we need to solve for h of negative 1 from h of x. So x is negative 1, then plus 3 times negative 1, then minus 8. Negative 1 to the power 2 is positive 1. 3 times negative 1, this is negative 3, then minus 8. So we have 1 minus 3, that's negative 2, and negative 2, negative 8. So we have negative 10. So therefore, h of negative 1 is equal to negative 10. So this functions becomes f of negative 10. Then to find out the value from f of x, and x is equal to negative 10. So we have 2 times negative 10 to the power 2 minus 5 times negative 10, then plus 7. Then to simplify, so negative 10 to the power 2, this is positive 100. So negative 10 times negative 10. Then negative 5 times negative 10. So this is positive 50, then plus 7. So 2 times 100, this one is 200, plus 50 plus 7. So this composition is equal to 257. Then for this even, so this is equal to h of 3. So we need to find first the value for h of 3 from h of x, and x is equal to positive 3. So we have 3 to the power 2 plus 3 times 3, then minus 8. And 3 to the power 2 is 9, plus 3 times 3 is 9, then minus 8. So this becomes 18 minus 8. So this is positive 10. So this function becomes h of positive 10. So to find out the value for h of positive 10 from h of x, and x now is equal to positive 10. So this becomes 10 to the power 2, then plus 3 times 10. Then we have minus 8. 10 to the power 2 is 100. 3 times 10, this one is 30, then minus 8. So this is 130 minus 8. So this composition is equal to 122.